All right, guys, welcome back. Hold on to your chairs. Today, we're turning up the energy with one of the youngest voices in dancehall. Should I say gospel dancehall? Would that be right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, making a name for herself, meet 1Emmaa, a 12-year-old powerhouse with a big talent and even bigger dreams, because in the future she wants to become a
singer.
Exactly. Welcome, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're not nervous?
No.
Exactly. Because you're a big performer, don't it?
Yeah.
You gone viral online.
Yes.
Wow. All right. So let me ask you though, why did you decide to do a song like this? You know, normally we see young ladies, 12-year-old, we see them singing along to some songs that are catchy and like nursery rhymes online, but you're spitting some really big lyrics though, Emma. Seriously.
Yeah.
How did you get started?
Well, I basically make songs like things that I see that happens around me, because we all know that God is real. So that's the reason why I made a song, and the song is named God is Real.
Oh, wow. Did you write the song yourself?
Yes, I did.
You wrote the song yourself?
Yes, I did.
Somebody never write it, give you, and you just come sing it? Wow.
I've been making songs from grade 5.
Really? So
Yes.
you're making songs from grade 5?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, what was it about music that drew you to music?
Well, basically, some bad things have been happening, like where I live, basically. So I just push myself forward to be singing song.
Yeah.
So,
In the introduction, it said that you do dancehall, though, and I asked you, can I say you do gospel dancehall? How would you define what you're doing? Would you say you do dancehall, or you like? Tell me, what would you define it as?
well, I'll define it as dancehall.
Okay. So while you have something that's now, this song that you're going to do for us shortly is kind of on the gospel side, you just do dancehall in general?
Not really.
Okay. You want to help us to understand it? Like, tell me what you do.
Basically, it's like a gospel song, yes. Because when you go to church, we all talk about God. So that's why it says God is real.
Yeah.
So that's why, yeah.
Yeah. And for the long term, you're going to kind of figure it out as you go along, right?
Yes.
I love that. Okay. Any singers or DJs out there inspire you?
1Fix Entertainment.
Okay. Those are the persons who you work with?
Yes.
Yeah. What was it like recording this song in the studio and standing in front of the microphone?
I was confident, and I believe in myself that, you know, that I do good through life. So basically, it builds my self-esteem.
You build up your self-esteem, you look so confident, girl. Oh my God. Some of us even, excuse me, some of us still right now with a microphone, we get so nervous. And you're able to just keep your cool and deliver your lyrics. I love that. When you went to your mommy or daddy, you know, when you went to your parents and you tell them, say, boy, you know, say, in the future, I want to become a big DJ. What did you say? What did they say?
Actually, my mother was very proud because when I tell my mother and my grandfather that I want to become an artist, I play a rhythm on the TV and I sing it and I make my mother listen it, and she said it sounds very good. So I meet up with 1Fix Entertainment and I went in the studio with confidence and I went in and sing on the mic.
Wow. What happens when you go to school and start performing for your friends?
Well, all of my friends was very proud and they were cheering me on.
What school do you go to, if you don't mind me asking?
Greater Portmore High School.
Wow. Okay, so you're like the star of the school, right? Everybody wants to just be friends with Emma.
Yes.
I love that. What's going to be next for you?
Can you repeat, like, explain what you mean?
What's going to be next for you? Like, what are you going to do next? Summer coming up, you're going to go to summer school, you're going to record some more songs.
Yeah, I'll basically record some more songs because an artist can't just sing one song. You have to sing more than one.
Where's the camera? Can the camera just... Emma, which camera will look? Emma, look in your camera and tell him again, please. The artist cannot perform one song. You have to tell him, please.
An artist cannot basically record one song. You have to record more than one song, because being an artist and when you go on stage show, and you can't just go up there and play one song. You have to have at least more than one song.
Spoken like a true star. Her name is 1Emmaa. That's why, you understand? Because it's 1Emmaa. Love that. Congratulations, my darling.
Thank you.
We're all very proud of you. Can't wait to hear you perform this song, all right?
Yes.
All right, sit tight for me. Let me call in Auntie Deidrean. Auntie Deidrean, come here, please.
One day.
One. You think
One Deidrean.
You don't want do a song with Auntie Deidre?
Sure, if she wants to.
You shot a music video for this already?
Yeah.
All right, put
it's
me on the next
YouTube.
One, yeah? Put me on the next one. Can you put me on the next one?
Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
have to come in the next video.
Sure.
One or two
in the
big,
background,
one or two
like,
big,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, the next one is the RIP one.
Okay. Well, I don't know if I want to be in that.
But I also have
somebody special that died close to you or something? What are?
Well, basically, it's for the people who dies.
Yeah.
Because we all know that we have to thank God that we wake up this morning.
True.
Because if it wasn't Him, we wouldn't wake up and we wouldn't be here right now.
That's
so
why
we
I
have to
want
just
Emma.
we have to give God thanks.
We have to. However, say thank you for being here today. All right, my darling?
Thank you and same to you.
Wow. Jeez, Louise, yo.
Okay.
Guys, what a way to wrap the show,
What am
man.
I doing with my life?
Listen, 1Emmaa will be performing her single, God is Real. But we have a thought for the day.
And the thought is, kids deserve the right to think that they can change the world. Hello, Loyla.
Exhibit A.
Yeah.
Okay? 1Emmaa. Emma, my
1Emmaa.
darling, the floor is yours, big artist. Go ahead, perform your song. All right?
Before we go, happy birthday, Grandma Daphne Gordon. Love you, Granny.
Love you,
Mwah,
Granny. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. Oh, but
1Emmaa. Love gotta live good as it. God, I'm a guidance, I'm a shield. As I rise, I'm a fight, yo. Me tell you why me no like love. On a TikTok game, them snipe you. But me don't see clear like quiet room. Thank you, Father God, for everything me gain. My mother for broadcast, me know me not feel. Prayers I work on, Father God, I steer. Anything he haters stop me in the ear, cause I know God is real. God is real. Him protect me, I'm my savior. God, I'm a guidance, I'm my shield, cause I know God is real. God is real. Him protect me, I'm my savior. God, I'm a guidance, I'm my shield. Mommy, don't worry, me soon make it the house pan the hill. Me swear you forget it. Me no fear nothing at all, me ever heard it. 12 years old, better give me my credit. Them a run down hype. More get rich, feel my father. Stay by myself, me no in on a drama. All who deceive me, I left it to karma. Cause I know God is real. God is real. Him protect me, I'm my savior. God, I'm a guidance, I'm my shield. Cause I know God is real. God is real. Him protect me, I'm my savior. God, I'm a guidance, I'm my shield. As I rise, I'm a fight, yo. Me tell you why me no like love. On a TikTok game, them snipe you. But me don't see clear like quiet